In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze email headers in Gmail. Fix today. Here, let's begin. Start by opening your browser and going to the Gmail website. Make sure you're already logged into your account so you can access your inbox. Once you're inside Gmail, open the specific email you want to analyze. This is important because the header data is unique to each message. At the top right corner of the email, click the three vertical dots next to the reply button. From the drop-down menu, select Show Original. A new tab will open showing the original message details. At the top, you'll see a summary section. Here, look for the SPF, DKIM, and DMARC authentication results. These indicators help verify whether the sender is legitimate and whether the message passed security checks. Scroll down to view the full header text. This section includes the technical routing path and timestamps from different mail servers, which is useful for deeper analysis. If needed, you can click Download Original to save the header file, or click Copy to Clipboard to quickly copy the data for further inspection. To make analysis easier, open a new tab and go to the Google Admin Toolbox Message Header tool. This tool converts complex header data into a more readable format. Paste the header data you copied earlier into the input field or upload the file if you downloaded it. Then click Analyze the header to process the information. Once the analysis is complete, you'll see a structured breakdown. Check the hop table to identify which servers handled the email and how long each step took. This helps you pinpoint where delays may have occurred. Scroll further down to view the message flowchart. This gives you a visual representation of the email's journey from the sender's server to your inbox. Pay close attention to the authentication results. If you see a soft fail or fail under SPF or DKIM, it may indicate the email was spoofed or altered. This is a strong warning sign, especially for phishing attempts. Using this method allows you to quickly verify email authenticity without manually decoding complex header data. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.